welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here with me today for another video. Today I'm so excited because we're decorating for Christmas this week. Now I know you guys may think it's a little early for this, but just hear me out. We travel for a good long while during Thanksgiving, and so if we don't put our Christmas up early, we don't get to enjoy it very long because we're not here very long. So that's when we put it up really early, and we just love it. The kids love it, I love it. We're gonna put that up today, and it's actually gonna be several days, so you're gonna see me in different outfits throughout the week because there is a lot to put up, and I just like to take my time to do it. But first, I have to get down all of our fall stuff. I've got to wipe things down, put the fall stuff away, and then we've got to get out the Christmas stuff, and then we're going to start decorating. Also, I really want to share with you guys a recipe that I do pretty much every year for Thanksgiving and or Christmas. And it's a really simple mashed potato recipe, but it's where you can freeze it and then travel with it, and then when you're ready to have it, you just bake it and it's ready to go. And it just makes it really easy for us since we travel for both Thanksgiving and Christmas, but I really like to bring food. It just really simplifies it for me, so I do it all ahead of time, and then I pop it in the freezer, and then we travel with it and it's ready to go on Thanksgiving. So I wanted to share that recipe with you guys because I know a lot of you guys do the same thing, because I talked about this on Instagram and I had a huge response of people saying, please share what you do because we travel too and I could use a recipe like that. So I'm going to share that. I'm also going to share some really good Amazon finds. I found a really cute skirt and a really pretty like holiday dress. So I'm going to share that with you guys in case you need something for, I have several different events. We have a Friendsgiving, we have 2 ladies' Christmas parties that I have to go to. So I just thought it would be nice to have something pretty and fun to wear to those. So I'll share those with you guys also. But I hope you enjoy this video. I know I enjoy watching other people's videos as they decorate for different holidays. And maybe you can get some good ideas and tips and tricks along the way. So come on guys, let's decorate for Christmas. I'm so excited. So we just got all the fall stuff down. I'll show you what that was like. It really wasn't a whole lot. I don't have a ton of fall decor, but Christmas we have a lot of stuff. So I'm about to start putting that stuff away, and then I am gonna start decorating. I'll link what I can that is new, but most of the stuff I've had for years and we just reuse it. So it is not something from a magazine, it's just our home, our memories, and the things that we love for Christmas. He's over there clapping for y'all. this dress I wanted to share with you guys. I love it so much. It is so comfortable. I think I'm gonna even wear it for our family pictures that we have in a few days, but I just think it is just the most beautiful green color. It's so festive, and it has these like polka dots on it, which I think are really cute. I just have these boots on with it, but you could dress it up definitely with some heels. But I just love how the sleeves have this little cinching at the sleeves, and then it's cinched here at the waist too, so that just makes it super comfy, and it also gives you a nice waistline. So I just wanted to share this one with you guys. It's very affordable. I think I am in a medium, and I would say it runs pretty true to size. This is the one I wasn't sure if I'm gonna keep or not. I feel like it's really pretty. I really don't have the right top to wear with it. I feel like you need like a white bodysuit, but I don't even have a long sleeve white shirt. So unless I find something to wear with this, I may send it back. But I do think it's really pretty. It's really lightweight. It's probably like a polyester fabric. And it's this really, really dark green, which I think is perfect for the holiday season. So I don't know, comment below and tell me if you think I should keep this or send it back. Y'all, it's Thursday. It is the day the kids have been counting down to all week long. Me too, if we're being honest. We get to decorate the tree tonight. So my husband will be here really soon, and once he gets here, we are gonna do our tradition that we do every year. We're gonna have some cheese dip and maybe some nachos, and we're gonna have like an eggnog punch. All it is eggnog, some vanilla ice cream, and 7-Up, and it is so good, and it's just such a fun little festive drink. We do this every single year, and the kids are so excited.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy.
Okay, let's make these party potatoes. I don't have a real strict recipe for this, but I usually take about 5 pounds of russet potatoes, and I just peel them and cut them and put them in some boiling water until they are about fork tender. And then I add about a cup of milk, a package of cream cheese, a cup of sour cream, 2 teaspoons of garlic salt, and then I usually do about a half a teaspoon of pepper, and then a stick of butter. And then you just want to make sure that you get them all good and mashed up. I usually use my electric hand mixer, and it makes it a lot easier. So after you get it mashed up, you just put it in a 13x9 pan, and then you dab it with a little bit of butter, and then you can bake it right then at 350 for an hour, or you can put it in the freezer and then just pull it out whenever you're ready to bake it.
House to wish us all a
gonna do it for today's video, guys. Please comment below if you have any good recipes for like Thanksgiving or Christmas that are freezable, easy to transport, even if they're just sides or desserts. That would be awesome. I would love to know y'all's suggestions. I'm always looking for extra ideas. And be sure that you like this video and subscribe before you leave. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.